This is Brian Terrian from the Disability Digest, and welcome to our Social Security Disability Approval course. This is the Get Started segment to help you understand how you can use this course. It's an easy way for you to take control of the disability approval process, regardless if you're just getting started, applied and been denied, waiting for a hearing, using a disability representative, all of the variables. Now, if you're watching this video and you haven't spoken with one of our advocates and been enrolled to the specific segments of this, then I would encourage you to contact us here at thedisabilitydigest.com and pursue that so you can get the specific segments of this course. So the course works like this. Since 2006, I've been working with and interviewing individuals in the Social Security world, experts like Jonathan Ginsburg, Carl Osterhow, ex-Social Security employee Barbara Mountain. But I've spoke with thousands of disability recipients and those that we have helped directly get approved, and have learned the process pretty much through trial and error, seeing different conditions, different work history, different ages, and treatment patterns with the doctor. So we have taken that information and what we've learned and boiled it down and put it into this disability approval course, and it has worked fantastic in helping people get their benefits approved. Now, you can use this if you are just want to do this on your own and avoid paying the disability representation fees, or especially if you are using a disability attorney. You can follow along with this course and segment by segment, and it can help you understand what they should be doing for their work on your disability case. So here's a few of the highlights and how it works. The course is set up in segments. In the disability approval process, there's 5 steps that we have this broken down to. Broken down with. First of all is directions to file your initial application. Now, you might be joining us and you've already done that, or you joined us, you did that, now you're on to the next step. So then the next step is what to do while you're waiting. When you filed your initial application, there can be 5, 7, 10 months of time where you can do specific things to maximize your chances for winning. The next is, if your initial application is denied, what is it that you can do to maximize your chances of filing that appeal and increasing your approval odds? If your reconsideration appeal is denied, then you can request a hearing in front of a judge where a majority of the cases get approved. So, and then the last step is the one that we love, is you've been approved. So that's how it works, is it's broken down, and advocates here will assign you the specific segments of the course. In addition to that, we have condition-specific information for major conditions, like what is it that you need to have in place for severity and treatment for conditions like bad back or neck or mental health, depression, diabetes. So not only do we give you the how-tos, like the technical part of it, but the condition part of it. So in this segment right here, there's 2 major things that I feel are important for you to understand based on others. One is your expectations. How long is it going to take you to get approved, and what are your respective approval odds at each step? So this item number 3 here, you can open this up. It's going to bring you to a page that has these expectations broken down. And this shows you at the initial application stage, it's like 36% approval. Now, what Social Security estimates is like a 5 to 7 month time for your decision at the initial application. And if that's denied, and in all but 10 states, there's the reconsideration that could be the same amount of time. If your reconsideration is denied, you wait for a hearing. There's actually specific time frames that are assigned to this when you get to that lesson of the course, but it could be 12 to 18 months. So those are some of the approval expectations that you can have and the time frame while going through the process. So it's important to prepare financially for understanding, all right, it's going to take me a while to get this done. So the next step is this. In using this course, for example, if you start at step 1 up here and you file your initial application and you get a decision that is favorable and you're approved, then we would like to know. That way we can get you the information that was going to help you keep your benefits and maximize your benefits. That's step 5 information. Or if unfortunately you complete step 1 and you do not receive a favorable decision, then contact us back. We will start the second segment. So to contact us back, there'll be directions in the next video that I will provide you, where when you have your segment of the course, there'll be a form in there, phone number, email address, where you can contact us. Now, this has helped literally thousands of people, as you can hear success stories from some of them down here below. But the disclaimer is, it's unreasonable to say that you're going to receive the same results that Casey did. There's no two cases alike. Maybe you do it better and maybe you miss a step and you don't do it as well as Casey. So those are some considerations to think of. So the next step is this. Each segment of the disability approval course has this in the subject line. It'll say disability approval course, step 1, for example. So look for an email like that so that you can move on to the next step. So thank you for listening. Again, if you are watching this video and you're not a member here of the Disability Digest, somehow you stumbled upon it, then I encourage you to contact us so we can get the course set up for you and help you get through the right steps and get the right information. So we look forward to helping you get approved here at the Disability Digest. Make it a great day. Thanks.